I'm from the Cape Town group. First and foremost, I want to thank the Business Bridge for this opportunity. It's breathtaking because they managed to take everyone and anyone, despite our background of education, and formed something in us that was empowering us to control our own finances, to be able to know your business and to be able to be in control of your own finances without having to wait for someone to come and consult you. And it also empowered us to give us control, to give us power, to give us direction, and to know where you're heading with your business, no matter small, no matter how big it is. My very favorite moments were when we could sit down as a group and share our weaknesses in our businesses and acknowledge that we are here to learn and we are here willing to be empowered, because education is empowering. And I want to thank you because, as you say, that they said they were coming to Cape Town, but they didn't know they were going to touch Africa as a whole. Because people were in this course, there was no limits to who's getting in. They just took entrepreneurs despite your background, despite your age. So I want to thank the Business Bridge for their touch. And I hope this program won't end here. I hope that most of us who've gone through this course will also give a hand to keep them empowering more people who are out there, who are not even in the access of these opportunities. I say hands up to the Business Bridge. Thank you so much. And I hope your future becomes stronger and stronger and you grow more and more. And I want to thank each and every member of our group.